Welcome to Miss Choi's Computer Science Discoveries class. Thank you so much for watching this video. What we learn in this class is very simple. As you can see, this is my Canvas page. And if you go into syllabus, it tells you what we learned throughout the year. We're going to be learning how to create a website, how to code simple games using JavaScript, and also learn about data. We use the online textbook code.org. For your students to join me for class, we meet every day, Monday through Thursday. And after I give them instructions on what they're supposed to do, they leave the class to work on their assignment alone, or they stay with me and I help them. And I also have Miss Sanchez, who is a paraeducator in my classroom, and she also supports our students in this classroom. For your child to join my Google Meet, all they would have to do is open up a new tab and then type in meet.google.com and then click on join or start a meeting and then type in class Choi and click on continue. And that's how your child will join my class every single day, Monday through Thursday. If you would like to meet with me or set up an appointment, or your child, if they are lost and they need additional help, I have Friday office hours right here. These are the uh, schedule for each of the periods. In this case, you will go into meet.google.com and type in Miss Choi office. You can see over here it's kind of small instead of class Choi. First, email me if you'd like to speak with me or the counselor, and we'll be able to set something up. Now, all my assignments are here in Canvas. I was showing you where the syllabus is inside Canvas, and that's just how it is. Everything is in here, everything that your child needs for this class. You scroll all the way down and click on Learning Modules. I have organized my lessons by weeks. So you can take a look. For every week, I have overview and to-do list. For week 2, I have an overview and to-do list. For week 3, I have an overview and to-do list. The reason why this is so important is because this is where you can find the recordings of all my lessons. So if for whatever reason your child has a dentist appointment, or if the Wi-Fi connection was spotty at that time of the day, please have your child go into the overview and to-do list and click on these links to watch the video for that lesson. So technically, if your child never showed up to class, however, they check themselves in using Infinite Campus every day, and they have watched all my videos and turned in all their assignments, they would still be able to get 100% A in my class. Now, of course, there are times where they have to show up because we have things like presentations and they have to unmute themselves and do a presentation. But except for those days, most students will be able to complete all their assignments. Please remember to check in, have your child check in using Infinite Campus every day. If your child or if you need instructions on how to do that, back to our Canvas page. On the very first page, right here, it says virtual attendance instructions. And if you click on this box, it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to check in using Infinite Campus. This has to be done for every single period. My gradebook is updated at the latest once every 2 weeks, but I try and update the gradebook as often as possible. Um, if you are curious about which assignment your child is missing, please take a look at grades over here. And again, this is my Canvas page. If you click on grades, you will see a list of all the assignments that's ever been assigned to your child. If you see a zero like this in this case, then that means that I have already graded the assignment and your child has received a zero. Now, you can go ahead and look at the due date over here. In this case, it was Unit 1, Lesson 8, September 10. So you can go back to modules and scroll all the way down. And you'll have to find Lesson 1.8 right here. Oh, I just passed it. Right here, propose an app, and you can click on that link to see what's going on. But also, you can click on the overview and to-do list to find out exactly what needs to be done by watching the recorded sessions. The gradebook that you see over here in Canvas, although it shows you which assignments your child is missing, the grade that is displayed down here is not the actual grade your child has. So for your actual letter grade, you would have to go into Infinite Campus. I update that as soon as I update all the grades in here. As far as grading late policy is concerned, while we are learning the same unit, right now we are in Unit 2. As long as we're in the same unit, you can still turn in your assignment. But other than that, if we are in the next unit, now all the work that the student completes from Unit 1 is only going to be half credit. Well, thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please email me.